As we age, two of the most important areas of our health to protect are the brain and the heart. They're deeply connected, and what's good for one is almost always good for the other. After age 60, natural changes begin to take place in the body. Blood vessels may stiffen, blood pressure can rise, and circulation often slows. At the same time, the brain may experience mild memory lapses, slower processing, or even early signs of cognitive decline. But here's the powerful truth. Diet plays a huge role in slowing or even reversing some of these changes. What you eat daily either nourishes your body or quietly contributes to long-term damage. For seniors, protecting the heart means keeping cholesterol and blood pressure under control, reducing inflammation, and improving blood flow. These factors can significantly reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. At the same time, the brain needs a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, especially antioxidants and healthy fats, to stay sharp and functional. Without the right nutrition, the risk of Alzheimer's disease, memory loss, and mood issues rises significantly. That's why this video focuses on one of the simplest, most natural ways to boost your brain and heart. Fruits. When chosen wisely, fruits deliver key nutrients like potassium, fiber, vitamin C, and polyphenols, compounds that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. They also help regulate blood sugar and support healthy digestion, which indirectly benefits the heart and brain. But not all fruits are created equal. Some are loaded with added sugars or lack the powerful compounds seniors really need. That's why in this video, we'll look at the top 5 fruits that can give your brain and heart a real boost. Fruits that are not only delicious, but backed by science for their anti-aging benefits. So if you or someone you love is over 60, this is the time to pay attention. A few smart choices at breakfast or snack time could mean more energy, better memory, and a healthier heart for years to come. In the next chapter, we'll break down exactly which fruits to focus on and how to easily add them to your routine. Let's dive in. When it comes to fruits that support both the brain and heart, the key is choosing those rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins that target aging-related damage. Below are 5 of the most powerful fruits seniors can include in their daily routine. 1. Blueberries, the brain berry. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that crosses the blood-brain barrier and protects brain cells from oxidative stress. Multiple studies show that regular consumption of blueberries improves memory, concentration, and even delays cognitive aging. How to eat. Add half a cup to your oatmeal, yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Frozen blueberries work just as well as fresh. 2. Avocados, heart-healthy fat in fruit form. Yes, avocados are technically a fruit. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. Avocados also contain vitamin E, linked to better brain performance in older adults. How to eat. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast or add slices to your salad. A quarter to half an avocado daily is ideal. 3. Pomegranates, blood flow booster. Pomegranates are high in polyphenols, which help improve circulation and keep arteries clear. This means better oxygen flow to both the heart and brain. Regular intake has been linked to reduced arterial plaque and improved memory. How to eat. Scoop out the seeds and sprinkle them on cereal, yogurt, or salads. Drink small amounts, 4 ounces, of pure pomegranate juice. No added sugar. 4. Apples, fiber, and heart protection. An apple a day really can help. Apples contain soluble fiber, pectin, that helps lower cholesterol, and quercetin, an antioxidant that reduces brain cell inflammation. How to eat. Eat it raw with the skin on for the highest fiber content. Try with a handful of walnuts for a brain-boosting combo. 5. Bananas, potassium powerhouse. Bananas are packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease and strokes. They also offer vitamin B6, which supports neurotransmitter health in the brain. How to eat. Slice one into your cereal, or eat as a snack with nut butter for extra brain fuel. These 5 fruits aren't just tasty, they're powerful allies in keeping your brain sharp and your heart strong. In the next chapter, we'll look at common fruit mistakes seniors make and what to avoid to truly get the benefits. Even healthy foods like fruit can become less beneficial or even harmful if you're not eating them the right way. For seniors, small choices can make a big difference. Let's go over some of the most common mistakes older adults make when it comes to fruit and how to avoid them. 1. Drinking fruit juice instead of eating whole fruit. Fruit juice might seem convenient, but it's often stripped of fiber and loaded with natural sugars that cause blood sugar spikes. Even 100% juice can rapidly raise glucose and lead to energy crashes or worsen insulin resistance, especially for seniors managing pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes. Tip: choose whole fruit instead. The fiber in whole fruit helps slow down sugar absorption and supports gut health. 2. Eating too much high-sugar tropical fruit. Fruits like mangoes, grapes, and pineapples taste great, but they're also very high in natural sugar. While okay in moderation, large portions of these fruits can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and unstable blood sugar. Tip: limit these to small servings, or half cup, and pair them with protein, like nuts or Greek yogurt, to reduce sugar spikes. 3. Assuming all fruit snacks are healthy. Packaged fruit snacks, dried fruit with added sugar, or canned fruits in syrup may look like healthy choices, but many are highly processed. Added sugars, preservatives, and low fiber make these options far from ideal for senior health. Tip: always check labels. Choose unsweetened dried fruit or canned fruit packed in water or 100% juice, not syrup. 4. Skipping variety. Many people eat the same fruit every day, like just bananas or apples. While those are healthy choices, relying on just one or two fruits means you miss out on a wide range of nutrients. Tip: aim to eat the rainbow. Try rotating berries, citrus, apples, melons, and avocados throughout the week. Bonus: the healthy fruit that often isn't. Fruit-flavored yogurts and smoothies from stores often claim to be healthy, but contain more sugar than soda. Some bottled smoothies have over 40 grams of sugar. Tip: make your own smoothie at home with real fruit, no added sugar, and protein, like plain Greek yogurt or nut butter. Coming up in Chapter 4, we'll make it all practical. A daily fruit routine specifically designed for seniors, including easy prep tips and when to eat which fruits.
Now that we know which fruits to eat and what to avoid, let's bring it all together with a simple daily fruit routine. This plan is designed to be easy, affordable, and powerful, helping you nourish your brain and heart without overthinking it. Morning brain-boosting breakfast. Start your day with fruits that support mental clarity and energy. Example: a half-cup blueberries on oatmeal or whole grain cereal. Add walnuts or chia seeds for healthy fats. Pair with green tea or black coffee for extra antioxidants. Why it works: blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, while fiber helps with digestion and blood sugar balance. The healthy fats boost nutrient absorption. Midday heart-friendly snack. Eat a light fruit-based snack between lunch and dinner. Example: 1 medium apple sliced, dip in 1 tablespoon almond or peanut butter. Why it works: apples provide heart-protective fiber, and pairing with protein or fat prevents blood sugar spikes. The crunch also helps you feel satisfied. Lunch or dinner add-on: avocado. Include a few slices of avocado in your main meal. Example: on a salad, inside a wrap, mashed on whole grain toast. Why it works: avocados contain healthy monounsaturated fats that support brain and heart function while helping your body absorb vitamins from other foods. Evening potassium-rich wind down. End your day with a calming potassium-rich fruit to relax your body and muscles. Example: 1 small banana with a spoonful of plain yogurt or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Why it works: bananas support blood pressure and muscle health, which can improve sleep and nighttime heart function. Tips to make it easy: keep frozen berries on hand. They're just as nutritious as fresh. Pre-slice apples or wash grapes ahead of time for easy access. Use a pill organizer-style fruit box to prep daily portions. Add a sticky note reminder on the fridge. Eat 2 to 3 fruits today.